what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. First off, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. We're literally a few subscribers away from reaching 50,000, which literally means so much to me. You guys don't know this journey that I've been on, and me just reaching 50,000 is a fucking huge accomplishment for me, and I am just so grateful for every single one of you. With that being said, in today's video I'm going to be doing a very requested video ever since my room makeover transformation. If you haven't seen that video, I highly suggest that you do so. I'll link it right here. But after that video, a bunch of you guys were like, I want to see a vanity tour, I want to see what you have in there, a declutter. For a while now I've been seeing comments, so I literally let my vanity get as messy as possible, like as messy as my Virgo ass can take it, even down to literally labeling my drawers and just having everything very organized. I really hope you guys enjoy today's video, and if you do, please let me know in the comments down below, as well as any other videos that you guys would like to see. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to go ahead and press that subscribe button, share this with your friends, your family, whoever the hell you want, just share it. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. I know you're probably like, bitch, where the hell is the mess that you're talking about? I don't see no damn mess. But you guys have no idea the amount of dirt that is on this vanity, how much makeup stains. I just want to clean everything, literally down to my makeup brushes, to these like little brush holders, the mirrors. I also have this little bottle of alcohol that I'm going to be using along with disinfectant wipes to just really deep clean everything. I just want to show you guys that just because this doesn't look dirty does not mean it's not. I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing my drawers. Like, this is a freaking mess. There's so much shit that just needs to go in these drawers, and I'm just gonna like walk you guys through it as well. A lot of you guys asked how did I get the tabletop to stick on to the drawers without moving, because obviously when you buy these from IKEA, which I did, if you haven't watched my redoing my room like transformation kind of video, I'll leave it up here, but they don't give you nothing to stick the tabletop onto the drawers. So my boyfriend was like, just put Velcro, and I was like, Velcro? And it actually worked, and that's what I've been using all this time. So I've been seeing a lot of comments saying, you know, what did you use? Velcro is where it's at. Moving on, I do want to make this first drawer my skincare shit that I even forgot that I had, and that's the problem with me. Down to my skincare drawer, I obviously have hella fucking makeup removers, and this is the mess. I even tried buying these acrylic trays on Amazon thinking, oh my god, that will help my life so damn much, like it would organize and just help me not be a mess. And literally look at them, like look at these two, they're just stacked up and everything else is to the side. I have a whole lot of Pixi skincare, as you can see. I have the peel and polish, I have another hydrating milky peel, and there's these CoverGirl primers. I literally just have primers everywhere around this drawer. Here's another mask that I really love. This is the Organzing Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. This is a really good one if you have blackheads on your nose. A whole lot of Pixi stuff, like literally Pixi be hooking me up. I even have old things that need to get thrown out. Do you see how it's separating in the bottle? It turned a whole different color. It was not this color before, it was more like a pale pink. And also this has gotten really ugly. It doesn't even look safe to put it on your face, honestly. So I am gonna be throwing things out as well. In this little container right here, I'm gonna be putting just my serums that I really like. Usually when things get messy is because I have things that I no longer use and I just want to save it, and then things end up piling up, and that's not what we're doing anymore. We're gonna be a changed woman, okay? I'm gonna be putting my toners off to the side right here, the cleansers, and then the setting sprays as well. I have my serums and primers here, my face mask here, and a bunch of setting sprays right here. I have my moisturizers that I use back there, and these are some cleansers. I threw out a lot and I am going to be giving away a lot. So here is the next drawer. Clearly this is my foundation drawer. This here is the Fit Me Maybelline, literally one of my favorite foundation ever from the drugstore. No Maquillage has to be one of my favorite foundations, especially if you're going for that no makeup look. You guys know this concealer is the best. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Concealer. I actually bought these little drawer organizers at Marshall's. It was 5 of them for $6 and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cop these to see if I can do something with my vanities. These actually hold a lot and I really do recommend these. I don't know why I didn't pick up 2, but when I seen that I had a lot of space to work with, I went ahead and bring my setting sprays down from this drawer into this one. I have all my foundations right here in this one thing, which is a shocker. And then I also just have a bunch of my concealers, contours, and blushes, all cream. I do have a bunch of sort of like CoverGirl BB cream. They're called Skin Milk. And then I have my setting sprays right here, and that is literally it for complexion. The next drawer, which is my powder drawer, this is what it's looking like. For this drawer, I specifically bought this at Marshall's. This was actually $7 if you guys can see it. I don't know if it's focusing or not. This is like almost my favorite drawer because this is what sets your face and gives your face dimension and color and all of that stuff. So this is a fun time. Plus this is where highlight is at. These right here are the Buxom Wanderlust blushes. They're super pretty and they're like my go-to blushes. This is a Pop Beauty highlighter that they sent to me not too long ago. It's so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna put that right there. Here's what this drawer looks like now. As you can see, all of my powders are lined up and I can clearly see which one is which. And the ones that didn't fit in the tray are back there lined up. I definitely recommend getting something like this. I highly recommend it. I have CoverGirl, Il Maquillage, Fenty, Buxom, Fit Me Maybelline, ColourPop, Too Faced, CoverGirl, Pop Beauty, which is the one that I showed you guys. Moving on to our next drawer, we have we have this little pumpkin pie. You just wanna lay here, right, mommy? You just wanna lay here? I'm always pulling out eyeshadows all the time, so it's really hard to keep this thing organized. Like, sis, look at all of this that I have to constantly organize. I still don't know my setup for this drawer, but I am just gonna organize it. I do have to get things to organize my palettes, but as of right now I can't find shit, so we're just gonna have to do with the regular old organizing. Here is this drawer organized for the 1000th time. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of palettes just lined up. I decided to do it this way instead of them laying down. These are a bunch of ColourPop's 9 pan shadows, and then I have Daisy Marquez, another ColourPop Z palette. I have a bunch of Morphe palettes right there, a Morphe palette right here, Natasha Denona eyeshadows, Il Makiage. I do have cream eyeshadows right here. And then I have Buxom, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now it's time to move on. I do my own nails by now, mani and pedi, or if I want acrylics, or if I want press-ons, whatever I want, I literally do it on my own. And a bunch of you guys asked for a little nail haul as to where I got everything from, so might as well just go through it now, right? I am also starting my own brand, which is muaanais.co on Instagram. You can go ahead and follow us. There will be plenty of updates on there as well. I use gel nail polish, so this is the Melody Susie UV lamp. I believe this is 40 watts. I do have a code. I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen right now so that you guys can save off money. This is a little UV lamp. Like, it fits only one hand, which is fine because I don't really need something so damn big. Whatever gets the job done is perfect. And also for press-ons, I literally do one nail at a time and take my time with it. Next, I have these 3 buffers that came in a pack, and I believe this was $1 from Nail Supply Glamour, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Melody Susie portable nail drawer. Not only does it bring bits and sanding bits as well, so that's really good. So these are the nail tips that I use. These are full cover false nails. They're in the coffin shape, and I got these off of Amazon. These rhinestones I've been had for a while, and I've been using them for makeup, and I literally just have them in my nail drawer. But I do want to get a bunch of different kind of gems and real rhinestones. And then I have some nail decals. I bought these off of Nail Bling Supply, if I'm not mistaken, or Nail Supply Glamour. Those 2 websites are the main websites that I use to buy anything because they're really good quality stuff for very low price, and they get here pretty freaking quick. So those 2 websites I'll leave in the description box down below so that you guys can check them out. This is just flakes and glitters and like little pixies of hearts and stars. Next up, I have these foils, which you guys have seen quite a bit. I have used these for makeup, but I also do use these for nails, and these are found on Amazon. That's where I bought them. Here I got a regular cuticle cutter, and then I have this nail prep, which is just a dehydrator. Nail files. These are some regular tips. These are not full cover, they're just the regular tips. And then I have some monomer, some more colored rhinestones. I have gel nail polishes from Nail Addict. They're really freaking good. I love the quality. Shout out to Nail Addict for sending these over. I also have some flower transfer foil. I got some nail glue. I also got this color as well. This is another glass. Mia's Secret Clear Acrylic Powder, some teardrop rhinestones, some gold butterflies, and double-sided tape for the press-ons. Actually not gonna make this my nail drawer for the simple fact that I want all of my makeup stuff like in order. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this my eyelash drawer. Alright guys, so my lash drawer is complete. As you can see, I have my Flutter and Loves all right here. London Lashes, Bold Face Lashes, LA Colors. I have Dodolashes. I have single lashes for my clients. I had my lashes in one of these smaller drawers up here and it would not fit. So it looks so much better down here. So moving to the top drawer of the other side. This was where my eyelashes was at. So I'm going to make it into like my mascara, eyeliner kind of drawer. So here's the drawer that I'm going to organize into this drawer. I'm gonna start off with glitter since it's already packed in this little thing. I'm just gonna be taking all these little ones. I have Vita Voss loose glitters. I have ColourPop Jelly Much shadows and Super Shock shadows. I have glitters, all my eyeliners right here, some tape, eyelash curler, dip brow pomades and sharpeners, and then I have everything eyebrow, pencil, and then mascaras right here. So I'm happy that this is organized to a point where I can see everything in my drawer. I can see all the colors, I can see what I have. This drawer right here is gonna be my lipstick drawer. So this right here is what my lipstick drawer looks like. I even have a freaking fanny pack that Pixie had sent over not too long ago. Probably gonna go away to one of you guys. I know I want lip glosses in this container right here. So I just went ahead and did it by brand. These are all Pixie's liquid lipsticks. I have ColourPop's lipsticks, and then I have Pop Beauty's liquid lipsticks, Cookian, and then sort of like my lip tints, lip oils, which are from CoverGirl. And then I have mostly all ColourPop here, except for these 2X Il Makiage collab with Flutteredbyro. I have ColourPop's Disney collection along with a bunch of their liquid lipsticks, just the tints, and some lippy sticks. And then I also have lip liners and a bunch of lip glosses, which, oh my god, I love gloss. Down over here I have my hair stuff, and in that last drawer I just have a bunch of miscellaneous things which I will not be opening. I have a label maker, so I went ahead and made some labels so that I can label the drawers so I don't get mixed up. And I just feel like it's more nicer like that when you have everything, you know, labeled and organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut these up and put them where they belong. Well, that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please let me know in the comments down below, as well as any other videos that you guys would like to see. Also, if you guys want a tutorial on this look right here, girl, I'm trying to sell promo. What's going on? If you guys want a tutorial on this look right here, it is on my Instagram, which I'll drop my handle right now right here. Go ahead and follow me on there. It's a really fun time. I always post stories about me or Chanel. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.